Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2014 Audi A4. This car have a lot of electrical problems. We fixed it. We just want to know now if there is any problem that we need to deal with it before we liberate the car to the owner. Signal. The only thing I know is tire pressure. Let's see if that could be done. Even this one was no good, we changed it. This piece was burned. Put a new one. Maybe this needs to be programmed. That the only thing that is now we can say it's gonna be say okay. Audi A4, S4, RS4 US scan 2009 and up. 2013, okay. VIN D, the 10-digit number. If it's D, go diagnose. Auto scan. I want to scan the whole car. I believe transmission 1 fault, brake. Start authorization. Okay, now okay, let me see the report. I'm gonna go back down. Okay, here, function limitation due to receive malfunction. Vehicle speed, wheel speed, yes, that's before. Maybe history. Left rear ABS, we already fixed that one. The sensor in the back was no good. Okay, locking requirement for a steering column not met. Sensor for refrigerant temperature low limit or not reach. Maybe need air condition. Brake control module. Steering column electronic. Brake control module. Yeah. Function limit due to malfunction. Comfort, sunroof. Okay, that's good. So let me turn the key off. Engine off. Quick rest. Okay, now you have any code? No. Only maybe central electric, that may be for the air condition. Maybe there is no gas, I'm not sure. Component protection active. Wow. So I have to do programming. Let me see what it is. Electronic center electric, this one, you have to be programmed. Yes. So component protection is active. Other than that, we have no code. That piece was replaced, the code is still there. Engine. Trouble code on engine. No code. So why I see code there? No fault, no fault. Only this. So this one we have to do reset, or we have to program it. Yes. So thank you for watching. To do that one, I believe you have to use Audi software, and then program it, and everything will be okay. Tire pressure also is there. Tire pressure.
Vamos a estar hablando de algo que está acabando con nuestros matrimonios, con nuestras relaciones de pareja, que está arrasando con nuestro cuerpo, y es la impotencia sexual. Y hay miles de hombres que están siendo afectados por este mal. Tú que me escuchas, si tú que me estás escuchando, estás siendo afectado por el fantasma de la impotencia.
I want to try to I'm going to scan it again to see why the tire pressure sensor, maybe that's in the brake, air condition, airbag. Okay, electronic central electric. Okay, I have some fault. Let me see now report. Refrigerant sensor pressure temperature low, limit not reached. I would just do I'm gonna do the central electric, and then we see component protection active. This one here, P0 020905. What do you need to do? Thank you.